Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I'm here with a flip through of my Christmas in July December daily. This is going to be used in December of this year, but now I'm ready to go and prepping. So this is not a completed journal by any means. This is my 5-sheet folder journal, cutting guide, put together with the ephemera in the front and back pocket, ready to go. So I've just got a regular string tie closure, and this is some of the fiber that I've used inside the journal. Like I said, it's used one piece of 12 by 12 cardstock for the cover, and it does have a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. It measures 8.5 by 5 3/4 and has a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. I think I said that already, and just some crochet trim over the stitching. I haven't put anything on the front because I'm not going to be using it yet. I have inked around a little bit, but basically inside I've got 10 sheets of lined on one side, blank on the other side paper. This is just white paper, and you can see the center where I've sewn it in. That'll give me 40 pages. I've kind of put a little bit of ink around the edge of the pages, but I haven't gone through and distressed all the pages. I'm not going to do that. But I'm just going to show you the ephemera that came from using the cutting guide. Now the cutting guide is called a 5-sheet folder journal. 5-sheet folder journal, that's a mouthful, is available in my Facebook group in the files section. And if you're not a member of Facebook, all you have to do is answer 3 simple questions to get in. The link is in the description box below. So with the 5 sheets of 12 by 12 scrapbook paper, and I happen to be using Vintage Christmas, you will get all of this ephemera, including the cover. So the cover is sheet 1, and then the other 4 sheets are cut into all this ephemera. So I've got 6 journal cards here. I've got 3 tickets that I may further embellish later. I've got 2 corner pockets. Now all I've done is gone through and added a little bit of fiber, trim here and there. I've got a corner tuck. I've got a couple of pockets. I've got a belly band, a flip. Let's see. This is a tuck, side tuck, and a flip. And then I've got this huge tag. I've got this tiny tag, and I've got 5 of these medium size tags. Plenty of writing space on the back of those. So that is what's in this front pocket. And then if we flip to the back, it's more of the same. The 6 journal cards, and those are in 2 different designs, the winter scene and the candy cane stripe. And then we have on this one we have a banner. That's the only difference. The ephemera makes 2 of everything or more, and then it makes a banner set and a ticket set. So I love using these at the top of pages just to tuck stuff under. So and it could even go on a pocket like that and tuck stuff under there. So I've got these 2 corner pockets, the opposite corner tuck, or these are corner pockets. This is just a tuck spot, and then these 2 pockets. I've got a horizontal belly band, another side tuck flip, and there again I've got these 7 tags, the large one, the tiny one, and the 5 medium tags. All of this ephemera from 4 sheets of cardstock. So that is so fun. And like I said, not much of a flip through because I'm going to be using this in December. So if you're interested in that, you'll have to come back and join me. Got my ends are not even, and I like to do this little, you loop it through like that, pull it snug, and then tie the ears, and that keeps it closed. There we go, like that. So that's my December daily. I hope you like it. I hope you'll craft along. Find that cutting guide in my Facebook group and print it out and cut your ephemera and do your folder. There is a playlist for this journal and for Christmas in July, and I think that it will be in 3 playlists actually. I'll probably put it in a 5-sheet folder journal playlist, and in a vintage Christmas playlist, and in the December daily. That's it. So, okay, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.